Welcome. Today we're excited to introduce you the DW7000XL Professional True Colour Welding Helmet with air-fed respiration. This helmet is designed to offer advanced protection, comfort and clarity for welders across all industries. Let's take a look at what's included in the DW7000XL package. First we have the helmet itself with a true colour auto darkening lens, flip front visor, then we have the air-fed respirator unit, padded belt, the shoulder harness, Samsung lithium-ion battery and charger, quick connect hose, respirator hose, replacement filters, and the test tube. Also included is a carry bag to store everything in, and also a setup manual with all the spare parts listed in there as well. Everything you need to get started is right here. Now let's go through the setup. First, attach the hose to the respirator unit. Clicks in there nice and easily. Twist and turn. Secondly, attach the other end of the hose to the helmet itself. Same thing, slots in there nice and easy, and a quick turn. Next, secure the shoulder harness and the padded belt for weight distribution and comfort during long shifts. Finally, connect the Samsung lithium-ion battery, which powers both the helmet and the air filtration system, giving you up to 10 hours of uninterrupted use. Replacing the filtrant systems in these is very simple. Simply open up the side, pull open, twist the filter, and it will slide out. Same thing in, push in, close the panel, and you're ready to go. And now for features and benefits. The True Colour lens is one of the most standout features of this helmet. It allows you to see the full colour spectrum clearly while welding, reducing eye strain and improving your precision while working. The helmet also features an auto darkening flip front visor, which seamlessly transitions between welding and your inspection of your work, allowing you to work more efficiently without removing your helmet. The TH2 classified air-fed respirator provides constant airflow, protecting you from harmful fumes. It's ideal for use on job sites where fumes extraction isn't possible. The DW7000XL is powered by a Samsung lithium-ion battery. This helmet runs for a full 10-hour shift with an optional 14-hour battery upgrade. The lightweight design of the helmet and respirator unit weighing only 621 grams, and the adjustable harness to ensure that you stay comfortable. With variable shade settings from 5 to 13, this helmet is suitable for MIG, TIG, ARC and plasma. The built-in grind mode adds to its versatility, making it an all-in-one solution. Designed with 160-degree side windows, the helmet gives you a wide field of view, increasing your situational awareness while working. The DW7000XL combines advanced technology, superior protection and all-day comfort, making it the ideal choice for any professional welder. For more details, visit our website and explore how the DW7000XL can enhance your welding experience.